Today we'll be doing a transfer belt replacement and removal for an HP M552, M577, and M553 printer. Although these printers look different, the procedure is the same since they do have the same engine. And we'll start this by turning off and unplugging the printer, approaching it from the rear, and unlocking the rear door. Now we're going to unlock the springs, transfer belt spring, and that is completed by pulling to the left or right and then putting them off to the side. And we're going to grab the blue lock lever, pull back, and then grab the transfer belt by the guides and slowly remove it. Now the installation process is the same. Just have it slightly elevated upwards to protect the transfer belt. And it's complete. Now this printer does have a reset procedure that needs to be performed to reset the page count, and those instructions will be located in the comments of this video. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe and visit metrofuser.com. Thank you.